Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I want to talk about Activision Blizzard, which surged after hours after reporting earnings. Before I do so, let's take a look at performance. Activision Blizzard, ticker symbol ATVI. Today, up 3.89%. After hours, up 2.95%. After reporting earnings. Past week, down 4.67%. Past month, down 6.88%. Past 3 months, down 19.35%. Past year, down 36.87%. And past 5 years, up 122.86%. And it dipped significantly around late September, almost 50%. Let's take a look at the statistics. So 52-week high, $84.68. 52-week low, $39.85. So right now it's on the lower end of the 52-week range. Market capitalization, $30.6 billion. P ratio is 56. And I think recently they upped their dividend as well. Take a look at the earnings. So as I mentioned, Activision Blizzard reported earnings after market close today. So earnings per share is in line and misses on bookings. Q4 non-GAAP earnings per share of $1.29 in line. GAAP earnings per share of 84 cents, beat by 27 cents. Bookings of $2.84 billion, up 7.6% year over year, misses by $200 million. So overall sentiment, revenue miss, but earnings per share beat. Now looking at the dividend, it declares a 37 cents dividend, which is up from 34 cents, and that's an increase of 8.8%. So as I mentioned, revenue missed, and it had a light guidance for the coming year. The monthly active users were up double digits sequentially to $53 million. Blizzard logged 35 million MAUs, and King bumped up to 268 million monthly active users. The CEO says, while our financial results for 2018 were the best in our history, we didn't realize our full potential. To help us reach our full potential, we have made a number of important changes, and the company also integrating its global and regional sales and go-to-market partnerships and sponsorships capabilities. Restructuring that will lead to GAAP-only pre-tax charges of about $150 million, most of that coming this year. And in addition to earnings, there was some negative news about laying off hundreds of employees. So initially, following bookings disappointment in its Q4 report, company will lay off about 8% of its workforce, about 775 employees as part of its restructuring, where it will deprioritize disappointing projects. Employees will be focused on key franchises including Call of Duty, Candy Crush, Saga, Overwatch, Warcraft, Hearthstone, and Diablo. Activision will also invest more in live services, Battle.net, esports, and advertising. So even though there were negative news of layoffs as well as miss on revenue, the stock price still surged after hours. Let's take a look at the Analyst Ratings. Current price is $41.67. 15 analysts give Activision Blizzard a buy rating in the next 3 months. 6 analysts give a hold rating, and 0 analysts give a sell rating, with an overall rating of moderate buy. Take a look at the price target. So as I mentioned, it was $41.67. Price target, average price target of $61.17 per share, with 46.8% upside. On the low end, it's $46 per share, and on the high end, $87 per share. And this is in the next 12 months. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Activision Blizzard? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.